What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video. And as you can see on my table right in front of me is the Armattan Rooster 5-inch. Now, to be honest, I'm slightly excited for this. The chameleon frame, it's been out for a very long time. And I always wanted a chameleon, but I kind of bought some other frames and everybody was flying them, and I was gonna get one. I wanted to get one. Anyway, Rooster comes out. You know what? Time to finally get that style frame. So I got this from Race Day Quads. I got this package, and I got this package of bolts here. These are better bolts. Use these instead. Happy building. So there you go. These are better bolts. So we'll figure out what we got with that and where that stuff goes. Here on the top, we got Armattan. This is like the leather style strap, not like doesn't have the rubber. We got some foam feeties. We got some antenna tubes. We got a pack of hardware. I wonder what bolts those are going to replace. One standoff. All right, here's our front section. Here's the antenna parts that go in the back. I hope there's some instructions in here because I imagine this one's going to be kind of hard to build. And I've never built a chameleon, so there's our arms. And then here's our main. Oh, there's a sticker. All right, Armattan Productions custom built hobby parts. And I'm hoping this is instructions over here, but all right, we got our top plate, bottom plate, and our little connector pieces and everything. All right, let's see. Let's hope there's some build instructions in here. Okay, good deal. All right. Step one. All right, so we're gonna need. Let's clear off this. Okay. So I got everything out here ready for step one. So it looks like we're gonna attach the arms, and then this part in here is where the board's gonna go. So I'm not gonna do that. I'll wait for that for the end. Or, when I go to mount the board and figure out how I wanna do that, I kinda do that custom. But for the back of this, it looks like we need this piece here, and we're gonna put 4 of these sunken nuts in here. And I guess the screw is going to pull this down, maybe? All right, let's try to do this. So the arm's going to go like this. Then this piece is going to go like this. And we're going to use the new hardware. Hopefully this makes it. It's going to go like that. This is going to go like this. All right, let's see, 2mm. Okay, I think that's gonna pull it in. So we'll just get another one. And another sunken in nut. Alright, so I got this set now, and I realized that I had the frame started backwards. So anyway, alright, it should be good now. Step 2, we're going to take this piece, which I got right here, and 2 more of these inset nuts, and 2 more of these longer screws that I got in the package. And the other 2 arms, and they're going to go this way. Alright, and you're only going to attach the back one, and then the face plate is going to connect to the... After the completion of step 2, we should be sitting right about here. Okay, so these, I don't have these cranked down super tight yet, and then you can see where your board's going to sit. It's going to sit under there. And I did set in step 1 to put on your landing feet, but I'm not 100% sure where I want to sit those yet. So again, I'm going to wait on those 2. So step 2, well, that's part of step 2. The next part is we're going to attach our front arms to this. Pieces there. All right, so this is gonna go like this, I believe. And it's gonna go like this. So that is gonna lock in the arm. All right, and that's threaded, so that will lock in the arm. And I'm gonna tell you something, man, these pieces are nice, shiny. They feel good. All right, let me get this, all right. So we're gonna take our two last long screws. All right, now we can start to see the frame coming together. All right, we're gonna tighten those up. All right, here we are after step 2. So you can see we got the frame coming. So step 3, let's see. We're gonna attach these pieces onto the back. These two pieces. We need the 2 antenna grommets. Where did I see those? All right, this pack, the 2 antenna grommets, all them little things. Okay, so we got these 2 pieces with your 8mm screws. All right, next we need the little carbon plate with the holes, which is in here. So we're gonna use all this stuff now. So we're gonna take this, and this gets attached with 6mm hole going up. So that's the smaller ones. All right, so you're gonna wanna take your plate, and you're gonna wanna get these guys in there. So you got the 2 antenna. These are gonna be probably for the antennas down here, and this is gonna be for your VTX antenna. And then you got these 2 nylon pieces here. They're gonna go before and after, right in here when you go to screw on your antenna. There's, you know, just to support the silicone. All right, so that's that. So you see how we got that on there. You do get an extra one of those. All right, so step 4. Now it looks like we're just going to be attaching the top plate. I think the hardest parts are over now. All right, so you got the foam. Just put that to the side. That sticks on. So this is going to go like this, and it's going to get about 6, so it's going to get short ones as well. So that's these little guys. All right, so you get your 4 screws on there, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to wipe the top of this, get my finger oils off, and then we're going to stick this guy down. I'm going to pop out these 2 little insert pieces. All right. Alright, here's your battery foam. Alright, next step is we're going to attach this plate up here, which is this one. This is going to be for your GoPro, which I now have. I just bought a session, so that should be fun. And this plate is going to go up here. This is going to attach with the real small ones, the 4mm, so that's these little guys. So 4s, 6s are in here. So screw on 4 of these. Okay, so once you get those 4 screws in, we're gonna put this little pad on here. Same thing, I'm gonna wipe it. And we're going to stick it. All right, there's your GoPro pad. think that's pretty much it. Oh, we got the front piece. We got the standoff. You gotta put the standoff here in the front for your camera protection. And that's gonna take the standoff with 10mm. Two 10mm and the standoff. So that's gonna be these sizes, I think. Yeah. There is a crap load of extra screws for this, let me tell you. Alright, there's that side. Okay, there you go. That is pretty much, I don't know, I got this other little piece here. Where would this piece go? There's a little piece of carbon there. Where does that go? Oh, maybe this is a different back plate piece. Yeah, maybe that's just a different back plate piece if you want to go with this style. And then your antenna tubes are going to go in here when you get your antennas through. Obviously, we'll cut them shorter when we get to it. I don't know how I feel about these being like completely straight off the back like that. I get a little angle to them. So your antenna tubes will go in there. You got your foamies. Your foamies will go under here. I like to kind of wait for those so I can put them where I want them. What else? I think that's pretty much everything. And then, you know, your board. But again, I'm going to try to use soft mounts for that. So, you know, we're going to wait and do that more specific to my style. But there you go. That's pretty much how you put the frame together. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing this build real soon. Like in the next few days. We'll put the build together. So we got these DYS motors. This is just for now. It's not going to be permanent. I got these GS30 Speedix ESCs. I got the RJX Hobby whatchamacall F4. We're going to try out this new camera. This is the Runcam Mini V2. So that's going to go in here somehow. We got the AKK VTX with an Axie coming off the back here. So yeah, that's going to be the build. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.